more acceptable place to record. As you can see, the whole bloody sky's been obliterated over that way. And that camera's well spread, if that's only one of them. So, general sky view, quickly before we go home, between trees over there, frequencies. The whole lot's filling in now, it's a bloody mess. What a bloody mess. That's overhead. Now we're back home. Quick view of the chemical sky today. There's still some trails that haven't merged in completely. Up this way there's a shadow, at least one shadow. That's off the one that's over to the right. Leaving a shadow over that way. The sun's virtually over to the right as well. So that's above. Over that way, the sun is there-ish. But the whole bloody lot has been hammered today. As for side effects, I haven't got a bloody clue what's going to happen, if anything. Whether it's going to be super hot or super bloody cold. And up there, now at the moment, there is a plane, but it's not spraying. It's just leaving a very long contrail, cloud dragon. But I'll see in a minute. Soon as find out, won't we? Yeah, it's spraying. Cloud dragoned over that way. And spraying over that one. Yes. Let's go and have a nosy who this is. There's a line there right through the sun. I don't know if it's going to bloody record too well. But it's just been laid. It's Condor Flugdienst or whatever they call it. It's turned on about there. There's nothing much behind it. Little splurts, but they're probably cloud dragon. It's sprayed right across the sun. Pretty damn purposeful. That's Condor Flugdienst or whatever it's called. I can never bloody see it. Say it, I should say. My accent doesn't help, does it? Anyway, Condor Flugdienst, whatever. Let's go and have a look. That's the culprit. Straight across the sun. Registration Delta Alpha Bravo Uniform Kilo. Condor Flugdienst, Germany. Boeing 767-343 ER/W. going from Las Vegas to Frankfurt, flight CFG 063, currently 37,232 feet.